Hey, have you ever wondered about what an artificial intelligence coworker is? Well, in the not too distant future, you're going to hear that term more. That is not the reason behind this video, but that is a word that is important. In this video, I'm going to discuss how to use OpenAI, which stands for Artificial Intelligence, Frontier Enterprise Artificial Intelligence Agent Platform. Now, Open Artificial Intelligence just recently announced their platform called Frontier. Now, number one is that it is limited to enterprise customers, enterprise business customers. And corporate speak, that means large companies or large organizations. Now, in the future, they may or may not roll it out, I do not know, to maybe medium-sized, maybe even small business, maybe entrepreneurs. But for now, that it is limited. All right? This is their main website, web page for openai.com/business/frontier. So you would want to type that uniform resource locator that is highlighted on screen into the address bar of your web browser. And then you'll see this page, Open Artificial Intelligence Frontier. The platform powering, enterprise artificial intelligence. You look at their customers already. Intuit, State Farm, Oracle, Uber, Hewlett-Packard, T-Mobile, Cisco. Those are enterprise customers, right? So for now it's limited. And it's even limited, I think, in the number of companies that will be able to sign up. They claim that in the future they're open it to more companies, right? So that's step number one. Step number two is you're going to have a ChatGPT, which stands for Generative Pre-Trained Transformer, account. Now, if you don't have one, you'll need a business. You'll need a ChatGPT business account. If you do not have one, you'll want to click on the try for free, or you'll want to, sign. Now, you could sign up for free. If you don't have one, and you could sign up for free right here. They also, otherwise you have to buy a business account. A ChatGPT business, they have a free 30-day trial for the ChatGPT business. The third step is you're going to have to contact their sales, since it's not really open to the quote-unquote public, right? Now, you can click on the contact sales here. There's a button here, and then there's a link up at the upper right-hand corner. And if you scroll down this page, there's one down towards the bottom. And I'll quickly show you what that page looks like. It's just a contact form. So you're going to have to contact them directly, because they don't really have open sign up yet. And you just fill that out, and all right. So those are the three steps to then, how to sign up. Now, how to use it. I could not find a tutorial. They just announced this recently. It may be behind a paywall. What you could do is with your ChatGPT business account, and once you qualify and you're approved, they may actually have it behind a paywall or a login wall, right? Look to see if they have any kind of documentation, any kind of tutorials, maybe videos or technical documentation. But I can kind of go over a general how-to. What you're going to have is you're going to have a plan. So basically, in context, what they mean by a co-worker, no, it's not a human. I don't like that term when it comes to artificial intelligence. I don't like the term agent. In context, when dealing with artificial intelligence lexicon, what they mean by agent is a robot. What they mean by co-worker, a robot. You're not hiring humans, right? But you're going to need a business plan or a plan. You would have maybe a data warehouse, maybe a database, maybe a tool, a CRM tool, maybe even ERP, maybe I don't know for a fact if Salesforce does integrate, but maybe ERP like Salesforce, or maybe an internal application. So what's going to happen is that instead of using humans to perform certain tasks, you're going to use robots. Now, they do mention that you could potentially use your own artificial intelligence robots, which are agents, which are coworkers, maybe theirs. ChatGPT may develop some for you, or they may already have some. The third choice was third party. It would be not your company or theirs. It would be a third, get it, the third party. And then you're going to run agents in production. Okay? So the robots will execute tasks. And then this will allow the artificial intelligence to perform certain tasks. Okay, and then they might be learning capable because they use the term improving experience. Agents, which means robots, can improve with experience and perform useful work over time. That tells me that either the large language model that the robot uses learns. So it may be machine learning capable. And then this is very important. I never give advice. I never guarantee anything. I never recommend anything. I'm not an expert. There is no such thing as an expert. I don't care what subject you're talking about. That is a false word. One human cannot know everything about a subject. It would be impossible, especially in information technology. When it comes to security, I'm not a security expert. I have an information technology background. I have studies, computer security. However, when it wouldn't be much different when enterprises and businesses and companies give access to humans, give access to maybe a server or a computer database, or maybe even like Salesforce, an application or an ERP, right? They have to take security seriously. Well, but it could be worse though. On my YouTube channel, I have a video still available. I believe the company was Replit. I'll give you a quick example. Replit is artificial intelligence, and it uses robots, and the robot was somehow able to delete the database, the customer sales database. Replit is for, I think, business owners, for marketing, and it collects their contact information. Well, there was an incident where the artificial intelligence robot just arbitrarily, out of nowhere, deleted their contact database, their sales database. So you have to take this seriously. But ChatGPT, Open Artificial Intelligence, claims that they have, that's the 8-minute mark warning. All right, I try to keep my videos down to 8 minutes. It doesn't always work because I have a big mouth. But they claim that they have a trust system where they have comprehensive controls, they have auditing, permissions, explicit permissions are followed or integrated. What else? Audible actions. So basically, that's just a very general kind of a how-to, blah blah. I couldn't find any formal documentation, and that is this video pertaining to how to use OpenAI Frontier Enterprise Artificial Intelligence Agent Platform. More and more companies are going to start using I don't like that term. I think that's very disingenuous. They're not real coworkers. They're artificial intelligence robots. And in the future, you may not be able to get, I just do not know. You may have to have expertise, or you may have to have some knowledge of artificial intelligence. You may actually have to, you could be the third-party company, right? You could be the third-party company that has expertise and would create the coworkers, the agents, which are the robots. Adios!